Relocating to a new home can be overwhelming, but choosing the right moving company can make all the difference. You've come to the right place if you're searching for professional, reliable, and affordable movers in Bonanza, Georgia. At 3 Movers, we offer premium moving services tailored to your relocation needs. This video will show you why we're the best choice for your move in Bonanza, Georgia. Here are some reasons why 3 Movers is the best choice for your next move. Years of experience. With years of experience in the moving industry, we know how to handle all types of moves, big or small. Affordable pricing. We offer competitive rates that fit your budget without compromising on service quality. Fully licensed and insured. Your belongings are protected with us. Our team is fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind. Expert movers. Our team is well-trained and equipped to handle all aspects of your move, from packing to unloading. Customer satisfaction. We prioritize our customers and ensure their satisfaction with every move. If you're planning a long-distance move, here's a look at estimated costs and timelines for moves to and from Bonanza, Georgia. Remember, prices vary depending on the season, distance, and other factors. For an accurate quote tailored to your needs, get in touch with us today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the latest updates on moving tips and services. 3 Movers, the trusted name for movers in Bonanza, Georgia. Let us handle your moves so you can focus on what matters most.